Everyone, again we are in chapter 14. So we are now looking for the matrix operations in Excel. So to do matrix operations in Excel, it is very easy, but you have to use your Control Shift Enter as a friend, because this one is required to get a matrix result. The matrices, you have the addition, subtraction. There is no need for Control Shift Enter. I will tell you in an example how it works. Multiplication, you will use it, but you have to know the size of your matrix. And also matrix inverse, again you have to know the size of your matrix. So let me show you one example. Say that I have a matrix of 1, 2, say 4 and 5. I have another one, say that 7, 8, say that 9, 10. So this one is my matrix 1 and this one is my matrix 2. Okay, so first I am trying to add them. So I know that 2 by 2, so let me just add the text here. So this one is 2 by 2 and this one is also 2 by 2. So I know that 2 by 2 matrix by 2 by 2 matrix, it's again the same size. I just select it and then say that equal this, select here and plus and the select here. Okay, so it is very easy, no need for a control or shift or something. So I say that this one, let me see, this one is A matrix and this one is B matrix. So if you multiply it, this one is A plus B. So if you multiply it, the case is a little bit different. So I'm trying to multiply this matrix with that one. So again, I know that 2 by 2 multiplied with 2 by 2, it will be the same size as 2 by 2. I select this 2 by 2 and I say that it's equal. Select whole one. I will say that this one is equal and then M, see that returns the matrix product of two arrays. So I just select it and then I will select my first matrix and then comma and then second matrix, and then before clicking enter, what you do is that you click the control and shift, hold it, and then you click the enter. You can see it gives you the matrix result. This one is very important, that you know the size of your matrix. And then one more, let's say that I just selected the first one, say that one cell. So in that case, say that I am saying equal, again multiplication, the first one and the second one, close the brackets, control and the shift, hold it and then press enter. You see, so it gives you the wrong value. That one value. But if I go with the next cell, say that calculate for me, it doesn't. So if I look for the formula, because it shifts to the to the right. So similarly here, if I move down, it shifts to the right. So if you just press this one as F4 and this one as F4 and this one as $, and then again it gives you the error. Doesn't work. So that's the issue, that you have to select the correct size of your matrix. Say that no, it is not 2 by 2, but it is, say that 2 by 3, and then I am adding 5 here, I'm adding 6 here. So this one now becomes 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 matrix by 2 by then you cannot multiply it. So let me just make it as 3 by 2. 3 by 2, and then you will put as 5 and this one as a 6, and then let me just put it as yellow again. So 3 by 2 by multiplied with 2 by 2, it will be 3 by 2. It is like, you just cancel these common ones. So it is 3 by 2 and 2 by 2. The middle ones we cancel. Let me just show here. So you are trying to multiply 3 by 2 matrix with 2 by 2. So you are just erasing this part, the middle one, and then you will get 3 by 2. Similarly here, if you are multiplying a 5 by 4 matrix with the, it should be the same, otherwise you cannot. 4 by say that 10 matrix, and it will be that you will just need to erase this part, and it will be 5 by 10. So now let's do that, and the 3 by 2 and the 2 by 2, I will just select this 3 by 2 size, then equal, and this matrix, M multiplication, and then I will have this matrix, and then I will have this matrix. Control Shift Enter. And you can also take the inverse of the matrix. So inverse works that you just say that you want to take the inverse of 2 by 2. You have to select the same size here and say that M inverse, and then this will be your array. Okay, and Control Shift Enter. Okay, it takes the inverse of this matrix. Similarly here, but 3 by 2 you cannot take the inverse, because for the inverse, so to have the inverse, you have to have the square matrix. So in this case we cannot take the inverse. Anyway, this is how it works in Excel, but I'm telling you that this Excel, it is tough, that for other softwares you can do it easily. For matrix multiplication, you will see next chapters in MATLAB and Python, it's much easier than Excel. But Excel has an advantage that you can see what you are doing in a better way. It is like, user interface is very friendly. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.